Drum is lightning. You asked for a character trait. How is organized? Organized. This is Dartmouth High School. In their character trait, they got organized. You will see this scene in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Beep. Well. At 12 a.m., Abby laid in her bed, dreaming of being at school.
Okay. You've been spending too much time organizing your binder. But it needs to be organized. Well, considering we're just starting school, I would recommend it. But, see, the problem is, you gotta start at some point. See? Yeah, but I need to be organized. Just like, highlight that. You don't have to write that much. Just like, yeah, you pretty much have it done. But it needs to be color-coded. The blue stuff needs to go here, the red stuff needs to go here. That sounds a lot more scattered than organized, I would think. No. You don't need to color-code it. It's not that important. You're not going to get lost.
At 1 o'clock, Emily lied in bed, dreaming about what it would be like to be in a messy room. I'm living.
Beep 3. Haley had dreamt about her first dream job. Working at Staples, of course. Okay, so welcome to Staples. You are going through the training and everything, so you're ready for your first day? For sure. Okay, good. Good luck. Where are you going? Going back here to, organize some papers and stuff to put up on the shelves. Okay. Ruler. Marker. That's not perfect. We'll just throw all those colored markers in there, like this mask.
Sir, you're missing the blue tab. This isn't gonna work.
The blue tab.
It's fine.
They all have different colored tabs. It's like no big deal.
Not a big deal. Not a big deal? I'm not color coordinated.
1 minute.
Beep. 2 a.m. Emily woke up, finding her room in a mess.